with my 7th video in my module on making statistical graphs. And in this video, we're going to confront how to make a time series graph. And a time series graph says what it means what it says. Basically, we use this graph to represent data that occur over a specific period of time, see how things change over time. So we're just going to get right to it. I've got some data over here I want to construct a time series graph for. So we say the following table shows the annual GDP growth for the USA between 2005 and 2009 that we pulled online. So essentially you see the year over here on the left and then GDP growth rate, okay? And so when we make this graph, we're going to draw and label our axes in here. And we're going to say time is going to go on the x-axis. Very important. You'll notice that I didn't just use the first quadrant here. The reason why is because of this. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and label this. We say time down here. But essentially, you'll notice that our GDP growth, which is going to go up here on this axis here, we say GDP growth. And we're doing this as a percentage here. You'll notice that it dips negative in our data set over here. So essentially, all we need to do is this, put data points on the x-axis for the years. So we say 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. So we say 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. But what we're going to do is this, we're going to label our y-axis according to what we need for this scale. I think in this instance we can get away with going by like halves even. So we say 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. We say 1, -1, -2, -3. I'm actually going to go up to 3 up here. It seems that we need to. So we say the growth rate. All we need to do is go above 2005. What we're going to do is we're going to plot each point. We're going to create a point for each growth rate in the given year. Okay, and then we're going to connect the dots. So we say 2005 goes up to 3.1 as our growth rate. So we have a dot up here. And then 2006 was 2.7 was the growth rate. So we say 2.7. Then we have 2007, 1.9, so we say 1.9, so our growth rate in 2007. And then we say 0, exactly 0 in 2008, and then 2009 we're at -2.6 is where it was. So, a time series graph, what this allows us to do after we connect the dots, which is step 4 up here, you want to use straight lines when you connect the dots, okay? You do not want to use a curved line because you don't know what it did between the years. You only need to know what it did at the actual year 2005 or 2006 or 2007, 8, 9. You don't know what happened in between, or we do, but we only care about those data points. So, and also this, the steeper the slope, we say is fast change, kind of thing. So that's how you make a time series graph.